Minnesota House Republicans are demanding a federal audit into the Minnesota Department of Human Services, sending a letter this week to Washington, D.C. The request is related to Medicaid fraud, an issue KARE 11 Investigates has been covering for months now. Danny Spiewak has more on the fallout from the state capitol.
Last week, state and federal agents raided 8 locations in Minnesota while investigating a massive scheme to defraud Housing Stabilization Services, a program designed to help vulnerable people find a place to live.
All I can say is we're doing search warrants.
A federal affidavit specifically referenced reporting by KARE 11 Investigates, which has uncovered numerous examples of Housing Stabilization Services providers billing Medicaid for services clients say were never provided.
I think that really shows that we have just hit the surface on these things.
This week, GOP House Speaker Lisa Demuth and 3 Republican colleagues sent a letter to the Federal Office of Inspector General for Health and Human Services, requesting an audit of the Minnesota Department of Human Services because of Medicaid fraud happening on their watch.
Yes, there are prosecutions, and it's trying to claw back. The problem is we're not preventing fraud.
Temporary DHS Commissioner Shireen Gandhi said in a statement that DHS has investigated thousands of Medicaid providers in recent years and that it regularly provides critical data and information to law enforcement that assists with their actions, including last week's raids.
If you commit these in Minnesota, we are going to catch you. You're going to go to prison.
Governor Walz praised the legislature for passing several fraud measures this year, including one that grants state agencies more power to stop paying providers when fraud is suspected.
There's people that take advantage of this, and we need to be there. And one thing that I'm proud of is this last legislative session, we now have more tools to do this.
DHS also told us today that they see the value in outside reviews and would cooperate with a federal audit. The agency that would do the audit, the Office of Inspector General for Health and Human Services in D.C., said they received the letter from House Republicans and are reviewing next steps. At the Capitol, I'm Danny Spiewak, KARE 11 News.